What's the meaning of convulse? Convulse. Convulse.
Convulse. Convulse. The word convulse means to shake or tremble violently and uncontrollably. It is often used to describe a sudden, involuntary muscle contraction or spasm in the body, causing jerky movements or convulsions. The result of convulsing can range from mild shaking to full-blown seizures, depending on the severity of the underlying condition. In severe cases, convulsions can cause loss of consciousness, incontinence, and even brain damage. Treatment for convulsions typically involves medication to prevent future episodes and manage any underlying medical conditions.